Welcome to Draw with Sean. It's wonderful to see you again. I'm excited to share with you what we're going to be creating. Today is going to be a magic notebook. And our notebook is going to have eyes, a mouth, a nose, and I think even some glasses. Are you ready to begin? Let's get started. I'll be using a magic marker. I'm using the color black, but you can use whatever you'd like to draw your magic book. You can use a pencil, colored pencils, different colored markers. It doesn't really matter. We're going to begin by drawing the outline of our book. And the shape of our book is going to be called a rectangle. Do you remember what a rectangle looks like? It has 4 sides. And you can do your best to draw your lines as straight as you can. But if they're not perfectly straight, that's okay. And these 2 lines are going to be the same length. And then we're going to draw another line this way. And if they don't touch, we can connect them. And then we're going to do the same up top. Good. And there's items like a ruler which help you draw perfectly straight lines, but we're going to do this freehand today. Next, we're going to draw the wire part that connects our pages in the cover, and this is called the binder. Just like this. And you can make these as big or as small as you want. And take your time. I'm going to wait up for you. I want you to enjoy this, and I don't want you to feel rushed. Great. Excellent. So this is our binder that holds all of our pages in, and this is the cover of our book. But now, we want our magic book to come to life. And what do we need? We need eyes. So let's draw some eyes. I'm going to draw 2 circles. One here. And one here. And you can draw your eyes. You can make your eyes squares, circles, ovals. Doesn't really matter. And then we're going to draw 2 more circles. 1. 2. And you know what I'm going to do for my book? I'm going to give my book some glasses. So I'm going to draw a bigger circle around. Like this. And this is going to be our book's glasses. Look at that. Our book has glasses to help him read or her read. And we're just going to color in our eyes. How many of you boys and girls know how to read? Do any of you know how to read yet? First, what's the first thing you do before you learn how to read words? You learn the alphabet, your ABCs. Maybe we'll do ABCs practice together in other videos. I think we will. Okay, we have 2 eyes, and now we need a nose. And then I'm going to draw a nice big smile on our book. And I like drawing these little lines on the end too. These are like little dimples here as well. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to draw 2 teeth. There we go. What do you think of that? You can draw teeth or you don't have to. It's up to you. You can draw eyelashes. You can draw freckles. Let's draw some freckles. Get creative. Have fun with this. Explore your imagination with this. Let's draw eyebrows. Eyebrows really help us show our expression. And you can even draw just a line. And if you draw them really high up here, that makes him look really surprised like this. And if you draw them low, like right here, that means he's a little angry or serious. So have fun. Have some fun with the eyebrows. Experiment. Excellent. And the last thing I want to do is add some pages to my book. We need pages here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a squiggly line. Watch this. I'm going to start here on the corner. Can you do that? And I'm going to do the same thing here. And they're going to be about the same length. Can you try that? Give that a shot. Excellent. And then we're going to draw a straight line down, connecting them. And I'm going to use the other side of my pen that's a little bit thinner. And you see these long, thin lines? These are the pages. What do you think of that? Very cool. And we have to draw some pages up here. We're going to draw another squiggly line. And then what do you think we're going to do? We're going to connect these lines. Excellent. And I'm going to use my thin marker here. Oh, I wish how I could see what you're drawing right now. Please, if you can get the help from one of your grown-ups to send one of your photos and your drawings of what you're creating today, I would love to see it, and I would love to share it with everyone else. It's so inspiring to see what you create and develop. Everyone has their own perfect vision of what their book's going to look like, and I would just love to see it. Next, I want to draw a title to our book, and you might want to ask a parent, but I'm going to draw the title to this, and I think I'm going to call this Sean's Doodles. Come up with a funny name to your book. Sean's Doodles. And let's draw a chapter marker. There we go. This way, when we know where we left off in our book. Excellent. Well, I think that completes our magic book. We need to come up with a name for a magic book. Think of a cool name for your magic book. For mine, Bart. Bart the book. Bart the book, and Peter the pencil was my other one. So this is going to be Bart the book. And if you'd like to join along with me, I'm going to color my book in. And if you would like to stop, you can stop the video or you can join along. I'm going to use my colored pencils, but you can use markers and have fun coloring your book any color that you'd like. I'm going to start with blue, and I'm going to make my book blue. And I'm going to attempt to draw, I don't have a lighter blue, which I wanted, to draw a highlight. This is going to be a highlight, meaning this is where the light is shining on my book. And I can use big pen strokes or pencil strokes with this one, since this is a lot of paper to color in. Oh, look at this. See, I was going too fast and I colored in my eye. This is a great learning lesson. Take your time. I'm glad that happened. So you can see that I made a mistake and that it's a lesson and a reminder to take our time and just enjoy the process of coloring. Do any of you wear glasses? I haven't had to wear glasses before, not yet at least. Glasses can be really cool. You can pick some really fancy styles for glasses, can't you? And all different colored frames for your glasses. It can be kind of cool. I'm very excited to see what you come up with. It's fun to see your creation with the colors you choose and the shape and design and the face of your creation here, of your magic book. I'm going to give a red. Excellent. And I think the last thing I'm going to do here with my marker is I'm going to, with the thin part, create a little shadow for my book. And I'm thinking I might make the shadow this way. So I think I'm going to make a little shadow like this. And I'm going to color that in. We'll do a blue. Wonderful. I'm going to stop here. I might do some little shading afterwards, and I might do a little erasing and clean up the eye where I colored in, and then I'll share it with you at the end. Thank you so much for joining me. I love my time getting to create new drawings with you and explore imagination. Kids, I want you to remember, with your imagination, anything is possible. Anything, even more than drawing. Use your imagination for anything, and you can do it. I believe in you, and I believe in you because you are perfectly you. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I'd love to see all of your amazing artwork. Parents, if you'd like to share your child's drawing, make requests, or send feedback, you can message me on Instagram or Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe for updates and new videos. I can't wait to see and share what you've created.